are in our 16th year of our Canon Future Authors program. This is a stimulating 8-day workshop that students engage in every single summer, where they get a chance to participate in the writing process, and they draft, edit a real-world editing authorship program.
I think was really helpful because it really gets you in the zone because you're just writing for hours on end.
And it's helped me a lot, especially like in school. I have a more defined vocabulary when writing, for example, school essays.
School District of Palm Beach County students are having the opportunity to see their work be unveiled for the first time. At the very end of that particular workshop, they are able to publish their work. This year, the students' self-titled book is behind closed doors, and they'll be engaging in a book signing.
I loved it. It was so good. I met a lot of interesting people, and I also improved my craft a lot.
And using words in creative ways could just add so much depth and meaning into just simple words.
I expect that these kids are going to be feeling fulfilled and just over the moon about the work that they've produced, because they really have worked so hard. This is a tremendous accomplishment, and they deserve all of the special recognition that they're receiving today.